चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल बोलो जुबान केसरी।
All right, we have some breaking news coming in right now, viewers. This is after Prajwal Revanna. His brother Suraj Revanna has now been taken to the police station in a case. Now, Suraj Revanna is a JDS MLC, nephew of HD Kumaraswamy. He now faces a complaint, FIR, over complaint of unnatural sex. Now, the FIR filed by Karnataka police over the complaint filed by a man alleging unnatural sex, murder attempt and intimidation. And as we speak, we are getting you just the live visuals in a short while from now. Just in a few seconds, we are going to get you those live visuals coming in. Suraj Revanna has been taken away by the police to the police station and he could be put under arrest. That's the big breaking we have right now. Prajwal Revanna, who himself is in custody, he is in jail facing the rape charges and the kidnapping charges. Is right now his brother is also facing immense trouble. Suraj Revanna has been taken away by the cops and we'll just get you those visuals coming in from Bengaluru. The FIR has been filed by Karnataka police over a complaint filed by a man who alleges unnatural sex, murder attempt and intimidation by Suraj Revanna, who is Prajwal Revanna's brother. He is a JDS MLC also. He has been taken away by the police. He is the nephew of former Karnataka Chief Minister HD Kumaraswamy and of course the grandson of HD Devegowda. Right now, as we speak, we have visuals coming in where Suraj Revanna is being taken away by Karnataka police as he faces these serious charges as FIR has been filed by the Karnataka police over this complaint. That's the big breaking news that we are getting to you right now from Karnataka. Those are the visuals, viewers, we just got this evening from Karnataka. And we will get you a lowdown and more understanding of this entire case. But remember, the latest is that Suraj Revanna's one individual has filed a complaint against Suraj Revanna. FIR was registered, and this man has alleged that Suraj Revanna had in fact assaulted him, sexually assaulted him, intimidated him and attempted to kill him. Prajwal's brother Suraj Revanna now faces grievous charges. Prajwal Revanna himself right now is behind the bars, remember, and he faces the rape and kidnap charges filed by several women, and his brother now also faces arrest over FIR in another matter. So those are the visuals coming in. These are the visuals coming in from morning, and my colleague Niranjan joins us live on the broadcast. Niranjan, this is another case. This is Prajwal Revanna's brother who is being taken away by the police and faces arrest.
Yes, we're staying with the pictures full frame. I just wanted to come in and give you some details because we have accessed the FIR, and this is extremely this is first of all a very big development in Karnataka. Let me tell you why. Because he's a sitting MLC. He's a JDS corporator. He's a member of the legislative committee, and he's also the nephew of a sitting union minister. His brother Prajwal Revanna is already in jail over allegations of kidnap and sexual assault. He faces rape charges, and this is in just a few seconds. We will get the first pictures of him being taken away by the police to the station. He's inside the police station as we speak. There is a possibility that he could be arrested as well. He faces a charge. Based on the complaint filed by a JDS worker. A JDS worker filed a complaint saying that he was subject to unnatural sex by Suraj Revanna. And the Republic Kannada team, also saw, I think we've captured that visual there of the police getting into the car in which Suraj Revanna was traveling. It's a Range Rover. The police is seen getting into it midway, and we've been tracking Suraj Revanna. He's the brother of Prajwal Revanna. So it's a huge development. I mean, you have two brothers, both from a political family. Their grandfather was once the Prime Minister. Their uncle was once the Chief Minister. Their father was once a minister. And both of them, one has been an MP, one is a sitting MLC legislative, council member. And then you have Suraj Revanna, who also faces a very serious charges of unnatural sex. I'm getting the exact details of the FIR in just a bit. But he also faces charges of intimidation and coercion, and we're getting in more details from the Republic Kannada team. He's been taken into the police station right now. Those are pictures that you have. The moment we have the Republic Kannada visuals of him being taken inside the police station, we'll play out those visuals as well. So Prajwal Revanna has already been jailed. Suraj Revanna taken in by the police. He's been taken to the police station right now, and he's being questioned based on this fast-paced development. So I'm handing it back to you for now, Wisely. Stay on the pictures.
Right, and then of course Republic TV getting the latest visuals coming in, and remember Prajwal Revanna's brother Suraj Revanna now facing mounting trouble, and he could be arrested anytime soon. He's facing a case of unnatural sex. He's facing a charge of unnatural sex, murder attempt and intimidation. So there's trouble mounting for for Revanna brothers. Of course Prajwal Revanna already is in jail. He is behind the bars. He's facing charges of rape and kidnapping, and now we have Suraj Revanna, his younger brother, who's facing a unnatural sex charge right now. And as we speak, we can see those visuals coming in from Bengaluru, where he has been taken away to the police station by the police in that vehicle. There you see that arrow pointing. You can see the police personnel taking Prajwal Revanna's brother Suraj Revanna to the police station, and we will be getting you the details of that FIR. Remember, this FIR has been filed by Karnataka Police over a complaint filed by a man who alleges unnatural sex and murder attempt and intimidation. And Suraj Revanna has been taken away by the police, and he could be facing arrest. So that is the big update we have right now. And Prajwal Prasad. All right, we're getting in more details also. We're getting in more details also right now coming in. FIR has been lodged against MLC Suraj Revanna. He's a JDS MLC. Now, based on the complaint lodged by the victim, a case has been registered at the Holnarsipura Rural Police Station. The victim lodged a complaint with the DG's office yesterday. These are the more of the details that I am bringing to you, viewers. The victim had also sent a copy of the complaint to the Hassan SP, and the rural police received the mail, summoned the victim, and registered the case, registered the FIR against Prajwal Revanna's brother, HD Revanna's younger son, Suraj Revanna, who is also the grandson of former Prime Minister of India, HD Deve Gowda. So that's the big update we are getting in right now. You can see his visuals. You can see those visuals. Suraj Revanna inside that lift, inside the elevator. You can see Suraj Revanna is the nephew of Union Minister HD Kumaraswamy, the JDS Supreme. And you can see Suraj Revanna being taken to the police. He's right now inside that. We just got you those visuals. Republic Kannada getting you all the latest inputs on that development that is coming in. Prajwal, my colleague, joins us live. Prajwal Prasad joins us live on the broadcast. Prajwal, tell us more about this case. The FIR has been launched against Suraj Revanna, and he could be facing arrest now.
Absolutely, Rakshita. Now we are getting in information that Suraj Revanna has been picked up by the police from the Hassan Holnarsipura town police station as well, and he's been taken to the Hassan Sen police station. The latest complaint goes ahead and shows that there is an FIR which has been lodged against Suraj Revanna under IPC section 377, which is unnatural sex and intercourse, under IPC section 342 under threat as well, and also under IPC section 506, which is giving death threat to the victim. A complaint has been registered under section 34 of the IPC as well for criminal conspiracy. So this is the latest news that is coming in, because remember that there was an FIR which was filed by Prajwal Revanna on the 19th of June in the Holnarsipura town police station by his very close aide Shiv Kumar, and this particular FIR was registered against blackmail against this particular JDS worker, which we are not able to name at this point of time because he's a victim of sexual assault is what the allegation says, and he's a JDS worker from Arkalgod. And as soon as he had approached the DG IGP, it is being learnt that the DG IGP had instructed at looking at the merits of the case, and after looking at the merits of the case, they have finally taken Suraj Revanna into custody, and now he's being taken to the Hassan Sen police station at this point of time. And after the interrogation, if the charges are proved, he will definitely be taken into custody and he will be arrested at this point of time, Rakshita.
Absolutely. In fact, Prajwal, we're getting in more details of the IPC sections under which Suraj Revanna has been booked. The 377, IPC section 377, 342, 506. That is unnatural sexual intercourse, 377, 342. One person arrested and threatening a person. And then another section, IPC 506. Death threats also issued by Suraj Revanna allegedly, and the complaint was registered under section 34 of the IPC for criminal conspiracy. Now, tell us more in details about this man who is the victim who has lodged this complaint. As you mentioned, there's this involvement of a JDS worker. So was he known to Suraj Revanna, and what was the conflict about? What has really happened? Do you have any information on what was really transpiring?
You know, at this point of time, Rakshita, by the details of the FIR which Republic has gone ahead and accessed, it is being learnt that this particular person had approached Shiv Kumar, a very close aide of Suraj Revanna, to go ahead and get him a job as well somewhere by going ahead and referring to the MLC. Dr. Suraj Revanna is an MLC. He's a JDS MLC as well from the Chandraipatna constituency too, and he was elected as an MLC from there. And after that, Shiv Kumar had promised that he will be getting a job, but he will have to go directly and contact Suraj Revanna, at which point of time the particular alleged victim had gone ahead and contacted Suraj Revanna, and then they have been able to establish communication, and he's called Suraj Revanna has allegedly called this particular victim on the 16th of June to his farmhouse in Gannikoda, a place in Hassan, which is around 210 kilometers away from Bengaluru, and after which Republic has also gone ahead and accessed a particular audio conversation as well, where he states, where the victim initially calls up Suraj Revanna and states that this should not have happened, and how will I even lift my head without respect, meaning to state that he's alleging that there was an unnatural sex which had happened between both of them, and he stated that this is absolutely wrong, to which Suraj Revanna has allegedly gone ahead and stated in this particular audio call, which is unverified at this point of time, that we will give you some money so you do not need to worry about it. But finally now it is coming out in the open that this particular victim, after the pressure from the DG, IGP to the police as to why was the FIR not filed in regarding to this, is being finally learnt that the FIR was filed under IPC sections 377, 506 of the Indian Penal Code, and as soon as the FIR was filed, the Hole Narsipura Town Police have picked up and the case has been registered.